Need a study guide to ace your next quiz?
Well, look no further.
I'm Mia, and this is
Mia!
Today, Mia Squared will be breaking down the law of exponents.
First things first, let's present the example problems. Problem 1 is 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 4. Problem 2 is 7 times y to the power of 4 in parentheses, and the parentheses are to the power of 2. Problem 3 is 5 to the power of 4 and x to the power of 7 divided by 5 to the power of 2 and x to the power of 3.
Go over the necessary vocabulary for this topic. These vocabulary words will help you understand the example problems. Exponents, a quantity representing the power to a number. Distribute, to give a part of something.
Now let's get into the problems. Problem 1, 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 4. When multiplying exponents, check if it has the same base as the other number. This is because when multiplying exponents with like bases, you add the exponents. Then keep the base the same and add on the new exponent. Now we will use this rule to solve this problem.
So, we have two exponents on the same base. So we have 2 and 4. We do 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, so because we have two of the same bases, which is 5 and 5, we keep that the same. So we'll write 5, and then we bring the 6 down because we added the exponents, and the answer will be 5 to the power 6.
Now problem 2. Now, the vocabulary word distribute will come into play for this problem. When dealing with an equation with parentheses and an exponent outside of the parentheses, you want to distribute the exponent to everything inside of the parentheses. So 7 would become 7 to the power of 2. And now the exponent inside of the parentheses. For this, you just simply multiply the exponents. So y to the power of 4 becomes y to the power of 8. Now let's see the work for this problem. I first circle the 2, and then I distribute it into everything inside of the parentheses. Then I rewrite the problem as 7 to the power of 2 times y to the power of 8. Then I multiply 7 times 7 to get a total of 49. Then I add on the y to the power of 8 to get 49y to the power of 8 as our final answer. Final problem, we're almost done. Problem 3, 5 to the power of 4, x to the power of 7, divided by 5 to the power of 2, x to the power of 3. Now, since this problem is division, there are new rules. When dividing using like bases, keep the base constant and deduct the exponents of the numerator and the denominator.
First, we have 5 to the power of 4 and divided by 5 to the power of 2. To solve this, you have to do 4 minus 2 because of the exponents. Then that equals 2. And the bases are the same, so we keep the base the same, which is 5, so we do 5 to the power of 2. Next, we go on to x. So x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 3. To get the answer of this, you do 7 minus 3 equals 4. And the answer to that is x to the power of 4. To get the final answer, we have to make 5 to the power of 2 into a normal number, not with an exponent. So that would be 5 times 5, which is 25. So the final answer is 25 times x to the power of 4.
Now, here are some other notes that could help you if needed. When a fraction is in parentheses and is to the power of a number, distribute the exponent to both the numerator and the denominator. Any base with an exponent of 0, the answer is automatically 1.
Congratulations, you made it through the video. Leave a comment if you can get the answer to this question. 3 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 7 plus 10 to the power of 2